I'm Jimi Patrix, and this is my story.
Hi, I'm Jimmy. I'm going to be here bothering y'all all night, hopefully, not getting on your nerves, but appreciate y'all hanging out, letting me entertain for the evening.
Get on that one. Right here's why. Not that one. What did you say?
I sometimes feel the weight of the world on my shoulders, picking up the pieces as I go. Kissing you feels like heaven to me. Oh, never wanna let you go. It's like the heavens opened up, smiled on me. Give me a little piece of mine.
2014, January 7th, I was in an automobile accident. On my way to get shots in my neck for an injury that I had sustained a couple years prior to that. So what I know of is that I got hit from behind at about 60 miles an hour, and I was sitting still. I don't remember it. It caused some head trauma and broke 2 vertebrae in my back. And needless to say, I wasn't able to work. And we had a lot going on because I'd had the prior injury with my back, my lower back, and already had a fusion. Sitting there and just rotting, I guess, I started to learn how to record, and I started to figure out how to play the piano and learn how to play the bass, and studied more on theory, and got tired of waiting for myself to heal, a band to play with. I decided that it was time I started to try to record some of these ideas that I had put down on paper and never realized in a band setting. So that's where I started. Started recording demos in my dad's basement after my accident. I used to have the computer.
Like my mother, she's never satisfied. Why do we scream at each other? This is what it sounds like when doves cry. If you will, my stomach, feel how it trembles inside. You got the butterflies all tied up. Don't make me chase you, even doves have pride. Alone in a world that's so cold.
One Peaceful Moment was came from that healing process, the rehabilitation, and I was trying to find people to jam with, to try to introduce these songs to, and maybe get a jump start. We had put together a band, but right when we started getting some momentum, the drummer's sister passed away from a heroin overdose, and it kind of put things in perspective, and kind of for me it was more of a cry to arms, get this done, record it before something happens,
Working on the night, autumn goes in the
Yeah, I'm talking about the aliens. But it's like 9 legitimate and 4 aliens.
woke up last night to the sound of thunder.
And 9 legitimate.
How far off, I said, I wondered.
Woo! Not really healthy.
Started humming the song from 1962. And it's strange how the night moves. You just don't seem to have as much to lose. Strange how the night moves. Come on, y'all, help me sing this.
It took a very long time. It was a test of metal for sure, and perseverance. We did. We were able to accomplish the recording of One Peaceful Moment. We recorded it at Early Grace Studios with Jordan. After we recorded it probably 10 times here.
I'm gonna make a new start. Going to California with a Nicky. Someone told me there's a girl out there, loving her eyes and flowers. On a big jet plane, never let them tell you that it's all the same.
Every time I'd walk past, I would feel like I had to mess with everything, and the best thing that I'd done through this process was realize that, and have another engineer come aboard that could tell me no, and help me decide what was good and what was, what we liked and what we did. Because for me, I could put down a perfect pass and think I could do better. So eventually, I was able to go to Jordan. Took about 6 weeks for us to record the songs and to mix and master, or to get them mixed for mastering, and it turned out to be a great. From the tragedy that happened, led me to this path, and I think it's been awesome.
Nothing compares to you.
I'll be back.
flowers that you planted, mama, in the backyard all died since you went away.
Jordan Haynes is the engineer that owns Early Grace Studios in St. Thomas More, and between he, myself, and Andy, we did it all: drums, bass, guitar, lead guitar, vocals, backups. Engineered, produced it, and we're all pretty proud of it.
Something I can buy ain't a thing that I can do, and that's the difference between whiskey and you. The one's a devil, one keeps driving me insane. In times I wonder if they ain't both the same. And one's a liar, helps to hide me from my pain. And one's a long gone bit of truth,